Hi there, I'm Adam Hart-Davis and I'm here to talk to you about engineering. In the next 10 years in this country, we are going to need 2 million new engineers, a whole lot of them in Gloucestershire. And there's a vast range of jobs from design to construction to building. Whatever you fancy doing, you can do it, have a great time and a great career. So, become an engineer.
It's a really, really interesting job. You learn loads and it is really interesting, and it's also making the world work, and without it we actually wouldn't be the developing countries and the world that we are today.
The reason I joined engineering was because I like putting things together, I like seeing how things work, and also it's joy you get out of fixing things and sorting problems out.
I enjoy the challenge and the problem solving mainly, working with different people to get the job done.
We're doing something. We're getting things done. It's a type of industry where we're not a service, if you like. We're actually producing products and making things happen.
I get asked a lot, what do you do for a living? What's your job? And so I'm an engineer. We make products. We make things out of metal that aid other causes.
I think there's a misconception that it is most automotive mechanics and things, but engineering encompasses everything from door hinges to aircraft engines. There's a whole huge spectrum of different things it can include, right from design to more kind of your sales and marketing stuff, as well as material selection, and generally on the shop floor as a manufacturing engineer as well, speccing out machines, making sure the machines are working correctly.
Yeah, because here we do 6 monthly rotations, so we stay on a section for 6 months, then we'll go to the other, and it gives you a really broad perspective of the whole factory.
There's a lot of different things, isn't there?
I think people should go into engineering if they're looking for a challenge and they're looking for something different to do every day. No day's the same here, it's a different job, a different problem to solve.
My job alone has taken me around the world. I'm off to Malaysia hopefully in the new year, so there's really engineering the sky's the limit.
You're developing new technologies or new ways of doing things that haven't been thought of, but you don't know how to do it when you start. When you start a project, you don't know how to do it, so it's finding new ways of doing things.
My job's just one of the best jobs in the world. I get to do everything, from deciding what colour paint we're going to have in the ladies' loo through to spending £500,000 on a new machine tool.
It's very rewarding, in fact, that you are coming up with something from nothing and seeing it actually running and working, and in our case you see the trucks on the road and everything, and you know that as part of your product, something that you've designed in that truck, making it run.
I came straight after school. I left school at 16, had my GCSEs, and I started the apprenticeship straight away. A lot of people have gone to college that I know and done qualifications similar to mine, but they haven't got the job because they haven't got the experience.
Yeah, there's plenty of people in the company that offer help if you wanted it.
Once you're in the company, there's a lot of chances to do more qualifications, from the sort of vocational qualifications, your MVQs, to sort of higher education such as H&C, H&D, and even onto the Eng in electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, mechatronics, which is really good because I benefit that. I've learned so much more since I've left school, and I've been paid, I've got my qualifications, and it's just been really good. It's the best career choice I could have made.
It's just a 3-year course where I'll be getting paid rather than university. You pay to go here, you get paid to work and learn. So that's a draw of it, I suppose.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it actually. Enjoyed it a lot more than I thought I would, and it's gone really fast. And I've learned so much in such a short time. If anything, it's just given me more confidence. Like, you go into business, you think it's going to be a big scary thing, but after a while you realise everyone's really friendly. You sort of get into the daily habit of working, and it's not been too bad.
Come in, sit down and find out how much work you've got to do today, and then get on with it. And you sort of got to plan, use a bit of time planning, plan out what you're going to do, when you're going to do it, and see if you can fit everything in, and just try and complete work.
Being an apprentice, I move about every 6 months. We do a 4-year course, and we do the first year training at college to get the sort of general engineering background. After that, it's a case of 3 years of on-site sort of training, with the occasional day release to do certain courses, qualifications, going back to the college second year, and then from third and fourth year going to university to do a H&C in whatever subject you choose, whether it be mechanical engineering, mechatronics or electrical engineering.
The thing is, with one day in college, it's on a Wednesday, so it splits a week up. So you do 2 days at work, day at college, and then another 2 days at work, and before you know it's a weekend again. So
I find that the weeks fly by.
Yeah.
Working, yeah.